Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Isn't that something? And let me get you in the picture, man. Woo! Wow. Huh? Oh, don't touch what? Oh. Oh, man. No, man, this is amazing. Look at this. It's like it's hovering. Whoa. Look at that. How long have you been playing, sir? 8 years. Oh, you're good. Well, I be damned. Woo! Look at that. I got it, man. Can I have your permission to post it on Facebook? Okay, I always ask for pictures, you know. I don't want you to. You may be some workers' comp claim. I can't fly my planes no more. I'm sorry. You know, we on the serious side, we don't even want our people to put Facebook accounts anymore, man. Too much bad shit in there. Does yours start by itself, or you have to have that machine to start it?
Nah, you can flip it like he did. I'm too old for that.
So you guys use this thing?
Electric starter.
But how does it clamp on anything?
It just
like
rubs on the top.
Okay. Look at that.
All right.
Woo. Yours did some wonderful maneuvers as well. I thought was very impressed.
To feel left out.
Yeah.
You start you go like this. Now you start your camera.
Oh yeah, you know it's still doing it. I never cut it off.
Oh no. I was kidding. But for $30. $30.
That's all.
Compared to $3,000.
Yeah. Wow. $3,000. That is a very impressive machine. I've never seen something like that in my life.
Yeah, it's neat for the first time.
Wow.
You've been sheltered there.
Well, I'm sure there was this deal on YouTube I saw where the plane lost a wing, and it was doing stuff like that, and it was fake. Oh man, see, I was gonna say
he landed it.
He landed it, man.
Fake though.
I didn't know it was fake. But
It was like a